Okay, welcome everybody. The last of my collection of the California Raisins from Hardee's back in the day. You got the H on the hat there, so you know they're from Hardee's. This is Rollin' Rollo. Where are you at? Waves Weaver and SB Stunts. Let's say, like I've said all week, this is the last, or these were just, fun little guys back in the 80s, and I've gone back and watched a couple of commercials, and they hold up, but they don't hold up. They're definitely SD commercials, but it's they're cool. I think I'm pretty sure it seems like he will balance. Yeah, he'll balance in a wheelie position, so you can pose him grinding, and that's all my skate lingo that I know. Let's get a good look at all of them here. Let's say not low details, but not a tremendous amount of details. They all pretty basic characters, but they all had their own little things. And let's say, this has some copyright information on the bottom of it. 19. I don't know if I'll be able to get it legible or not here. I can't even read it in person, so I don't know why I'd expect to be able to read it on here. And these guys have it slightly more, still ultra fine print there. I think it says 88 on his foot. Where's it? There's a print on the back of his head. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's an 88. But, they're, like I say, they were just fun little guys. I'm glad I've got, that's my collection I've shown off all this week, and that's all I've got. But I think they're definitely going to get a space of honor in the toy room. They don't take up a lot of space, and they're, like I say, I just think they look cool. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.